Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? It's Poetic Roses. I'm from Inkster, Michigan. Holla at me. Nice to meet you. Between the idle talk and chatter, I saw life presence through your eyes. Just being in your company mattered. This wonderful feeling of embrace, rich abundance you carry with taste. I dig your style in this uttering phase. Once I'm thanking God's grace, but you amaze me with your speech. I can go on and show how deep. It was nice meeting you beautifully. You dig?
You dig? Hey, baby. What's up? Can I talk to you? Yeah, I'm just chilling and no business. Holla.